Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Another day of unsettled weather across Queensland. Our rain's been very spotty and many places have enjoyed several hours of glorious autumn sunshine. The monsoonal vortex near Torres Strait is now showing signs of deepening and may turn into a tropical cyclone after all. Temperatures aren't budging too much from average, nor have they moved very much over the past week. Most places today hit tops of around 32 degrees, 32 I should say, give or take a couple. On the satellite loop now, most of the clouds in western Queensland, where we're seeing a few storms. Some of them could actually be potentially severe. Along the east coast, it's been a little bit more quiet, but if you look carefully, random spots are popping up all over the place. Most of them just short, sharp showers, some of them reaching storm status. And of course, you've got the normal shower activity on the far north tropical coast. Here is the intensifying monsoon, and there's the first signs of that vortex turning into a monsoon low, which has a moderate chance of becoming a cyclone in the next few days. On today's chart now, the low is just sitting up there just east of Torres Strait. It's part of a complex monsoon trough with several other lows sitting on it. Otherwise, we've got southeasterly trade winds along the coast, just light, getting lighter as we go further south. On tomorrow's chart, again, it's an unstable situation, but no triggers. In other words, no troughs in the south that might actually lead off some really big storms. And then on the outlook chart, you can see by this stage, way out in the Coral Sea, that low may turn into a cyclone, but it's too far away to have much effect on Queensland. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Townsville water, southeast to northeast winds up to 20 knots tomorrow, then dropping back down to 10 to 15 knots for Friday, even lighter on Saturday if that's even possible. Neap tides again tomorrow. First up we have an early morning high, then a low around midday and a second high about 6 hours later in the evening. Details depending on your fishing spot. Now the Herbert and Lower Burdekin, a slight chance of a coastal shower only. Townsville 22 up to 30 degrees. Ayr 30 as well. Ingham 31. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders a fine and sunny day with Charters Towers ranging 18 to 32 degrees. Georgetown always hot, 34. And looking ahead for Townsville, rainfall reaches a minimum this week and then picks up slowly again next week depending on what happens to this monsoon low. Temperatures waffling around near average. And that's me for this first day of April. For the record, it was a pretty uneventful March across the state. Rainfall near normal, temperatures near normal and a warm outlook for winter. Catch you tomorrow. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Luv. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company, and we'll see you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, if you did miss anything and you'd like to see something again, you can catch our replay over on 7/2. From all of us, good night.
Good night.